Hi, my name's Laura, and I recently had the experience of hiring Cardinal to do some work out at my home. And my first experience was waking up early in the morning, and I realized that my AC was off, and it was already about 82 degrees in the home. And maybe for most people this isn't such a big deal, but I've got 5 animals in the home. And I made an emergency call to Cardinal, and the person with whom I spoke on the other line was extremely empathetic, and she understood how dangerous of a situation this could be. Got scheduled, and shortly thereafter I got this amazing text that I didn't even know was coming, and the text read, "Hey, your technician, Matt, is on his way." And the text not only had his picture, first of all, which was amazing. I knew exactly who was going to be showing up. I knew what he looked like, but it had some certifications that he had, which made me feel good, but it also had some fun facts, and I don't know, it made him more personable to me, and so that was good. So Matt showed up, he got right to work. He didn't try to upsell me on anything. He gave me a few tips and pointers on how to maintenance my AC unit myself. The second call shortly thereafter, a few weeks, was actually about an electrical unit that I had a light fixture replaced. And I wasn't quite sure who I was going to call to have that work done, but I had such a positive experience with Cardinal the first time around. I knew that I wanted to call them again and to give them more of my business. The super nice front staff people, the person with whom I spoke said, "You know what? We actually had a time slot open up. Why don't we get somebody out to you shortly? How's within the next hour?" Which completely blew me away. I'm pretty sure that that's not how it normally goes at a business like this. But I got a text, and within 15-20 minutes, Andy came rolling out. Again, a text with his certifications, some fun facts, really funny guy. But the thing about this trip was that he didn't have one of the parts that he needed. And instead of him needing to leave the scene and charging me for a trip to go to the store or whatever, he actually just called somebody else from Cardinal, because they're a big enough company to have somebody run a part out to him. My experience with another company is really different. This other company took a break, ran out to the store for over an hour. I'm pretty sure they took their lunch break during this and charged me, and came back and still didn't repair the job and do the job thoroughly. So that wasn't the case with Andy and Cardinal. The other guy came, brought him the right part. Andy got it all fixed up, got my lights working and everything, and he was just, we just chatted the entire time, and he didn't waste any time. So he was personable, friendly, both of the guys were, and I had a superior experience all the way around. I didn't feel like they were nickeling and diming me or overcharging me or anything like that. And so I had a very good experience, very positive. I felt very comfortable with them, and I would definitely hire them again. And I understand that they do plumbing, so I will be calling them if I have any future plumbing needs as well.